How to log out of Facebook account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to log out of the Facebook account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once a menu section pop up, you can simply scroll down and select settings and privacy. And now here in this section, you can just select settings. Or if you don't want to bother so much, you can just scroll down to the bottom and there you'll see the option labeled as logout. So there you can just tap on it and confirm action by tapping on logout again. And here, once you do that, your account will be logged out. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.